Hi everyone, hope you can hear this. I'm kind of double timing with the Zoom meeting going on in the background, so hopefully it's not too loud, but I had a great question from a teacher about how to create a seating chart. So I wanted to really quickly make a video so that way everyone can have it and send it out. So in PlusPortals, this is where you're going to go to create a seating chart for every class. On the home page, you got your courses down here. You're going to click on the grade book next to the class that you want to set up, and you do have to do this for each class. So I'm going to go into Mr. Dawson's D-Lunch right here because I don't want to mess up anything he has going on in his other classes. You're going to click on the, dismiss that message if that pops up. Go over here to the right-hand side and click on Seating Chart. It's going to open up the edit window for you, and this is where you create your seating chart. So you're going to go to Add New up here. And you're going to tell the system how you want the seating chart to be laid out, and it's going to auto-populate the students for you. So I'm going to call this just test. You would call it whatever the name of your class is. Click on Arrange Seats. Okay, then it says choose number of seats per row. So I'm going to pretend like I have 5 seats in each row. Choose number of rows. Let's say I have 4. Oops, this didn't save. There you go. Okay. Then you're going to choose the teacher position. So like if you're usually at the front of the classroom over here, or if your desk is like on the side, you choose where your usual position is. You're going to tell it how you want to place the students when it auto-populates it. So let's say I want it to work backwards in the back of the room. Then you're going to choose what fields to show on the seat. You definitely want to choose picture. This is nice for helping you learn names and for also printing a seating chart for subs when they come in. Choose full name. You can select these other fields, but I leave them unchecked. Go to Arrange Students, and you're going to tell the system how you want the students to be auto-populated into those seats. Now you can choose random. If you want to select certain students and put them in specific seats, especially if you're trying to space them out even more and leave like empty seats in between each other, you can do that. I'm going to choose alphabetically, and then you choose by last name or first name. Okay, when you're finished with all that, go up here and hit save. It's going to create your seating chart. Hit OK. And there's your seating chart. Now, notice the teacher position and then the students. And again, if this isn't how you want to do it, you can do it randomly and you can select them to certain areas. Now, once this is created, you can go over here to the attendance feature, and you can actually take attendance via the seating chart, which is really convenient. So let's say that Jalen was absent. I would click on him once and it would mark him as absent. If all the other students are present, you don't click on them. You just leave them blank, and it shows that they're present. Then when you hit submit, it sends that to Janet in the front office, and you've submitted your attendance that way. So that's a nice feature, and I'm going to show you how to get to that via like the regular attendance grade thing here in a second. So I'm going to go up here to, let's click back on here. I want to show you one more thing. If you click back on seating chart, you notice that I have a print option over here. So you can click on that and actually print out a hard copy of your seating chart if you like. I'm going to go back to gradebook now that that's created. And let's say it's the start of class and you want to take attendance. You can use the attendance area down here, but you can also go to attendance on the left-hand side and choose seating chart. And it's going to open up your seating chart, and this is where you can take attendance. So notice it automatically saved Jalen's thing here, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then you hit submit and you got attendance booked. If you have any questions about how to create a seating chart, how to assign students, just let me know. I'm here to help. Thank you.